Hi friends, Jenny at Clover and Violet here, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to unbox this new Stella 2 pink lamp from Stella Lighting with you. I've been using a Stella lamp since November. They sent me the Stella 2 in white, and I really loved it, so I was super excited to get a pink one because, as you can tell, I just love to have everything pink in my sewing room. All right, let's take a look. All right, so here's some papers. And the Stella comes with dots to put on your lamp so that you know which buttons are which, but I actually just leave mine plain. All right, and then this looks like the charging cord. It's a separate plug, so you plug it in and then plug this into your lamp. And then let's take a look at this pink lamp. All right. All right, look at this. Okay, we'll take this off. You could see how it was bent with the neck arm fully bent over in the box. And I just love the flexibility of this arm. It just allows you to really adjust it to best suit your needs. I was sewing and I had the lamp at this cutting table. My sewing machine is right over here off to my left. And so I just held the lamp up like this, and it made such a big difference even from this distance. So let's plug it in and check it out. Okay, now we have our lamp plugged in, so I'll just show you the lighting features on it. So it has a touch sensitive pad, so you just tap to turn your light on. It has 10 brightness settings, so you can brighten it and then dim it, which is great for different types of light, obviously. And then it also has a cool light, a warm light, and then a natural light. And this light never gets hot. I've used it for a lot of hours. It's just been really useful, really helpful, and I'm really excited to have a pink lamp in my sewing room now. I hope you'll take a minute to check out Stella Lighting, and thanks for giving me your time and watching this video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.